Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I've created my second Eid look and I've gone for this more purple shade with little flecks of pink glitter in the eye. So this look is very easy. It took me a couple of minutes ready to do, and if you want to see how I create this messy kind of easy Eid look, then please continue watching and subscribe to my channel as well if you haven't already. So as you can see, I've already got my left eye done and I went in with the Desert Dusk palette from Huda Beauty. I wanted to go for like a purple eye look, and I've wanted to make it quite easy as well, in the fact that you can just literally put on the shades and you don't have to worry about it looking perfect. First shade I went in with was Amber, a dark brown shade, and I'm literally going to pack this colour onto my crease, and then once I've packed it on there, I'll then go in and blend the edges out. The eyeshadows in this palette are very easy to blend, so if you're in a rush or anything to create an easy look, then this is the palette to go with, and that's why I went in with this messy kind of eyeshadow look as well. But that was literally as easy as that. I'm now going to go in with a Desert Sand just to clean underneath the brow, just to make it look a little more cleaner and bring some life back into that area. And I go in with that original brush that I had to then go back in and just blend the edges out. But I'm just lightly doing it, so I'm barely touching my skin and just blending it. I'm going to go in with a purple shade, and this is called Amethyst in the palette. And I'm picking up this dense brush to apply the colour onto my lids. So again, like I said, I'm not so bothered about making sure that everything is fully blended or anything, because this eye look is meant to look quite messy and not have like this cut crease kind of look. I mean, if you wanted to, you could leave it with just this colour anyway, but as it's Eid, I want it to be more sparkly and more shimmery. Once you've got that colour down, bring it back in the brush that you used for Amber. My hair's getting in the way. And just blend out the edges, and then you can go back in again with the Amethyst shade and just pack more on. This is just our base layer for the next shade that we're going to put on top, which will bring that shimmery colour into it. So it looks purple and blue in some light, so it just depends how you look at it really. So for that shimmer shade, I'm going to go into the shade Twilight. I'm just going to spray my brush with my Rubi Dusk facial mist. So this will just help to pick up this shade because it's quite crumbly, and I think if you used a glitter glue, it would probably work a bit more better. But I wanted to keep a lot of the shimmeriness in this shade, so by using glitter glue it might make it more into a paste. So I'm applying it first nearest to my lash line, and then I'll slowly go in and blend it up to the crease. So I applied some powder underneath my eyes just to capture any fallout, because with this shade there is a lot of fallout. So by applying that powder there, you won't let it sink in to the base. And now I'm just going more up into that crease, and I've got less product in the brush, and I'm just wiggling the brush in that crease. Like I said, we don't want a cut crease, we just want it to look a bit more blown out. And I think this is a style that's going around a lot more as well these days, where it's not so cut crease but looks a bit more like the shimmer shades are into the crease. Just pick a bit more up and apply that right in the centre. As you can tell, there's a lot of fallout here, so I'm glad I've applied the powder there. So I'm now going to go in and pick up the Amber brush again, just to further blend everything, like so. And I forgot to apply the Amber shade as well underneath my lower lash line. So once you're happy with the blend of everything, then go in and swipe all that powder away, and nothing will be on your skin. I feel like when I do wipe that powder away, I like to go in with my beauty blender underneath as well, just to make sure that the excess powder is like melted into the skin and it's not just settled in there. So So now that I wipe that away, I can see what needs further blending, so this outer corner. So for eyeliner, I'm going to go in with the Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper. And I'm going to do a quick little wing. I made it quite thicker on the outer edge. Again, for mascara, top is L'Oreal Lash Paradise, and then the bottom is going to be the Maybelline Angel Push Up. You can tell like it didn't take me too long to do this eye makeup, so it's very easy. You can do it with any colour as long as you've got like a base colour down, so like the brown shade, just to help with the transitioning of the more messier shimmery shade. What I might do is just to bring a bit more of that glittery shade, I'm going to pick up this BarryM like glitter shadow. It's an eye topper, and it's the holographic eyeshadow topper, so it's got that same purple blue undertone going through it. So I'm going to pick up the brush that I used Twilight on and go in from the doe foot applicator and just pick some of that colour up and just apply some more on the actual lid of the eye. So I've not applied any on this eye, I just thought of it now really. Shining, it's got more glitters in this product, so I thought I can apply this on top. And again, you don't have to worry about it being perfect or anything, because like we said, it's just a messy look. So now that's a bit sticky from that cream shadow. I'm now going to go in to my OPV glitter shadows, and I want to pick up, I think I want to pick up the shade, I was going to go in that purple, but I might go in the shade Xposed, which is like a pink shimmer, glitter rather, and just pick just a little bit of that up and disperse it on the eyelid again just to get some shimmer and sparkle. I would have gone in with that purple shade, but I think it would have made the look very like dark. So with this pink, it'll just make it look a bit more brighter. So applying the BarryM cream shadow on top is actually helping this to stick onto the eyelid. So I have got a little bit of fluff, but because this is glitter, it'll come straight off. You just want to apply a little bit just to give it a like some little twinkling of light. I'm just going to wipe away all that glitter. And I'm going to pick up a pencil brush and go into the shade, it's going to go into Nefertiti, but it's not so blinding. So I'm going to pick up my highlighter, which is the So Hollywood highlighter from Anastasia, and apply this on my inner corner, as well as apply a little bit on the lower line as well, because we all know I like to have a bright inner corner. Nearly done. So for the brows, I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal brow artist plumper and just comb through the hairs, make sure they look all nice and neat. My brows at the minute are very overgrown. I've actually got a little monobrow going on, but I think I'll just do my brows just before each, so they'll look even fuller and thicker. I'm just going to comb the tops of it down. I don't want it to look too bushy and too ruly. I'm going to now go in and top up my highlighter. So again, using the Anastasia So Hollywood highlighter, and just apply a little bit more. I like to apply a little bit more once I've done everything. Like that. So I've not applied blush yet because I wasn't sure what colour to go for. So with this more purpley look, I'm going to go in with the Superdrus brush, and this is in the shade Bittersweet, and it's like this orange shade, so it will complement the colour in the crease as well as that purple that we've got. This blush is quite pigmented, which is why I keep tapping into the pan a little bit at a time, and then that way I know if I need more, rather than trying to blend a crap ton of it out. I'm not sure what lip colour to go for. So I'm just going to quickly go grab one and then I'll be right back. So I just picked up this shade Beet from Lime Crime, which is that colour here. So I wanted the look to be quite monochromatic. So I've gone for a deeper wine purple. And so this basically is the look. So as you can see, I've gone for a very purple eye. I can see I've got lipstick on my teeth. There we go. So yeah, so I've gone for a very purple eye look with a little flecks of gold glitter. Like I said, it was very easy, it didn't take me very long. If anything, my base took me the longest time to do, but the eye look, I think, if I wasn't talking or anything, I could do both eyes within like 5 minutes, to be honest with you. So that's it really. So this is my second EID look that I've come up with. I wanted to go for more of a colourful purple look, and I think purple might be a popular colour for this year, with it being EID in June. And I hope you enjoyed it. So I hope you enjoyed this look, guys. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and leave comments down below of what other colours you would like to see created as well. And hopefully I'll see you all soon. Bye!